Hello everybody, I'm gonna show you how to get a very long streak in Duolingo. So as you can see, I currently have an 85-day streak on Spanish to be exact. And I'm gonna show you how to make it really easy. It only takes one simple step. You go to your home screen and you hold down on the wallpaper, you press widgets, you go down to the D from Duolingo, and then you just move it to your home screen where you are the most on your phone. When you open it up, you immediately see it, the widget. And so when you haven't done a lesson in a day, it will tell you time to practice. And as the day progresses, the look on the face of the bird gets more angry, and by the time it's 11 p.m. the bird is like horrified, and it's very provocative. And yeah, it's really easy to keep your streak up this way. So I just wanted to clear this up. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.